Welcome to the channel. Let's begin. So we're going to expand and simplify. So we're going to start by expanding the two brackets x plus 1 into x plus 4. Now we can use the for method, we can use the partition method, or we can use the grid method. I think we'll use the partition method. X into x plus 4 plus 1 into x plus 4. So we're going to multiply everything that's in this bracket by everything that's in this bracket. So we're going to multiply x plus 4 by x, and then we're going to do x plus 4 times by 1. So we have x times x is x squared. X times positive 4 is positive 4x. Then we have plus 1 times x is positive x. Then 1 times positive 4 is positive 4. We're then going to simplify and collect like terms. If we notice that when we multiply the two brackets, we get a quadratic. So we end up with x squared plus 5x plus 4. Now we have to multiply 2x plus 2 bracket into x squared plus 5x plus 4. Now we can do the partition method where we're going to multiply x squared into 2x plus 2 plus 5x into 2x plus 2 plus 4 into 2x plus 2. Now the difficulty with this method is that it's rigorous, meaning that you have to do a lot of steps and students find that difficult. So let's move on. So we multiply x squared by 2x, which is going to give us a cube. So we're going to get 2x cubed. Then we're going to multiply x squared by positive 2. We're going to get positive 2x squared. Then we have plus 5, so we write by our plus sign since we're multiplying a positive by a positive. So now we're going to get 5x times 2x, which is going to give us 10x squared. Then we're going to multiply 5x by 2, which is going to give us positive 10x. We will then multiply positive 4 by 2x, which is going to give us positive 8x. Finally, we're going to multiply positive 4 by positive 2, which is going to give us positive 8. We will now collect like terms. So we're going to write back 2x cubed. We're then going to collect 2x squared and 10x squared together. That gives us 12x squared. We're going to then collect 10x and 8x together. When we add those two together, we get 18x. And of course, we have our constant value, which is positive 8. So, our answer, when we multiply out our brackets, is 2x cubed plus 12x squared plus 18x plus 8. And what you should do is always check over, because you can make some simple mistakes. We're going to move now to another example where we have some negative values. So example 2. So we have x minus 1 into 3x plus 2 into x minus 3. So again, we're going to expand. We're going to start by just expanding two brackets. So we're going to start with expanding x minus 1 into x minus 3. So we're going to multiply x times x, which gives us x squared, x times minus 3, which gives us minus 3x, minus 1 times x, which gives us minus x, minus 1 times minus 3, which gives us positive 3. We will now collect like terms. Here's where students tend to make the mistake. So you must remember your rules for negative numbers. So we're going to get x squared minus 3x minus x is minus 4x plus 3. We now move on to multiplying 3x plus 2 by x squared minus 4x plus 3. Then we're going to do the partition method. So we're going to multiply x squared into 3x plus 2 minus 4x into 3x plus 2. And then we're going to multiply positive 3 by 3x plus 2. So let's identify. So we're going to do x squared times positive 3x, which will give us positive 3x cubed. We're then going to multiply x squared times positive 2, which gives us positive 2x squared. We then move to minus 4x times positive 3x, which will give us minus 12x squared. Then we'll multiply minus 4x by positive 2. That will give us negative or minus 8x. We then move to the next bracket. We're going to multiply positive 3 by positive 3x, which will give us positive 9x. We're then going to multiply positive 3 by positive 2, and that will give us a positive answer of 6. Remember to always check over, because this method is a little rigorous and you can make mistakes within your steps. So now we're going to collect like terms. We start by writing back 3x cubed. Now we have positive 2x squared minus 12x squared. Now that's going to give us minus 10x squared. That's where some students fall down, make the mistakes with their negative values. We now have minus 8x plus 9x, which is going to give us positive x, or 1x, and then we write back our positive 6. So that's our answer. It's an easy question as long as you follow the method and you don't make any mistakes. It's been introduced to the new syllabus since 2017, and I say to students, these are easy marks if you practice just expanding the triple brackets. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.